Here's how you could upload a YouTube short from mobile. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you upload YouTube shorts from mobile. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, what you need to do is open up your YouTube application. And when you open up your YouTube application, the interface will look something like this. Here, you just want to go ahead and make sure to press the plus icon at the bottom of the page right in center. Here it is. And make sure to enable all of these buttons if you're doing it for the first time. Now from here as well, you could go ahead and take a photo or maybe take a video, but then I actually want to go ahead and add it or upload it from other sources. So once again, I have to go ahead and make sure to give a permission. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on allow, and then I'll just go ahead and click on this particular video. All right, then allow. Once you've done it so, select the particular video once again and next button. As soon as you've done it so, and if you're right with the timing and all of these, if you don't want to trim at all, then click on the done button. As you so, you'll be taken to this page where you just need to go ahead and click on the tick. If you want to add extra, you could do that as well. Now click on next once again, and here you go, you have the shorts ready. Here you could go ahead and type in a caption just like this, and if you also want to add a hashtag, you could do it so just like this. And next thing, what you want to do is you want to click, or you want to go ahead and make sure to enable all of these permission. You could actually go ahead and save as a draft, or you could just click on upload shorts, and here you go. You could go ahead and click on your profile, and then you could go ahead and click on your videos, and right on this page you'll be able to find the shorts that you've actually uploaded recently. So here you could find it out. That's the way. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.